Bokar Chantal. And of course, thank you so much to our very energetic leader from Philippines, very supportive for our DXN Malaysia, our Commission Double Diamond, Madam Jovelyn Tugayo, DXN PG Management, and of course, to all leaders, great leaders from any other countries. And I would like to welcome all my invites from my group. Thank you very much, all of you. I'm so really happy for this moment because I can see that we have a lot of Filipino members and non-members here in our gathering. Yeah. Actually, before we started join DXN with Madam Jovelyn, few of us only going to attend the DXN gathering. You know why? Because few Filipinos only a member. All the members are Nepalese. So when Madam Jovelyn invite me, okay, we go to the DXN gathering. So what I answered to her, what we will do there, we not understand their dialect. Only we understand Namaste. But of course, if we have burning desire to do this DXN business, we have to go, we have to join them. So we sit down there, then if the speaker telling something there with their dialect, we just listen. If they clap, then we also copy the clapping. Even we don't understand. So I told Madam Jovelyn, okay, we just follow, we just join the meeting and learn something. One word in one meeting is a great for us to learn. Because here in DXN is like learning. Like we are studying. So those who are not yet member, please join now. It's time to join. Yay! It's not too late. Because here, as our IMDs said just now, everyone's success is started from zero. So as for me, I started with zero knowledge. I don't know everything here in DXN. But of course, I keep on learning, I keep on attending the DXN. Even though our situation as OFW or security, we have to give time to learn something here in DXN. Because here in DXN, health is wealth. So we give priority for our health. Because our DXN products help us to become healthy, to do our daily routines. So, I hope to those not yet member, please join now. Okay, for today, we have celebrating our Christmas. Some members say, why very early to celebrate Christmas? So I just say because some of us have another event for the next Sunday. So today is our chance. It's our free time to celebrate Christmas. So as Christmas, as a Christian, Christmas is the celebration of Jesus Christ. And Christmas is the reflection. It's a chance to give and share love and care to everyone. Okay. So, as an relate to DXN, we have to share how to become healthy. So we share the benefits of the DXN products so that everyone will have good health. So thank you to all the comers here, to all attendees for getting celebration here. So Merry Christmas, everyone.